What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. We've got a pretty busy day. We've got to take my E92 335, put it where the F30 is, and then move the F30 up top. We got to get the garage ready to park the Mustang for the winter. That's right, I am no longer going to be driving this car. On top of that, we actually, like the title says, have a crazy new mod for this car, and I am so stoked for it. I'm going to go ahead and show you that mod in just a second, but before we get into that, we actually technically have a second mod for the 335i today. Now, this one is just a small mod, but I think it might make the car look a little bit better. Got these black eyelids to go on the headlights. Now, I've had eyelids on this before, but they were the cheap fake carbon ones when I did my Temu video, but I really like the way they look. So I think gloss black is actually going to be able to stay on the car. We're going to go ahead, run to the detailing van, grab the heat gun. We got to heat these up, and then we're going to stick them on, and hopefully these look as good as I think they will. Maybe one day we got to do a new mod for the detailing van. But you guys like that or not? I don't know. We got our heat gun, so let's go ahead and throw this mod on real quick, and then we'll move the cars around, and then I'm going to show you this crazy new $1,000 mod. Also, while we're here, what would you guys think about some Audi videos coming up? Because I think this is going to be the car I drive throughout the winter. I don't know. I just think it's the most ideal winter car that I have. So I think that's going to be what we end up driving. So if I'm going to be daily driving it, I might as well start modifying that car. So if you guys would be interested in Audi videos, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Without further ado, let's go ahead and throw this new mod on the car. Then we can carry on with the real mod of today's video, which is so crazy. Okay, well, we've got the first one on, and I actually really like this so far. So let's go ahead and do the other one. Okay, well, I think this turned out really good. This makes the front end look even more aggressive than it already did. Now that we've got that out of the way, before we go ahead and move all my cars around, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the mod so you can get excited, and then we'll put it on in the next minute or so. Now, there are actually 3 different mods that we could do today. So we're gonna go and we're gonna do a random number generator to figure out which mod we're gonna do. So let's go ahead here. We're gonna pick from numbers 1 through 3. And well, it looks like we're going with number 2. So let me go ahead and show you what we got. Now, all of these are already opened. I wish I could leave them as a surprise, but I have to make sure they're not damaged first or else the video's chalked. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Bam, check that out, boys. Forged carbon fiber with blue flake steering wheel. Now, some of you might think that's a bit of a weird choice, but if you're new to the channel, I'll go ahead and I'll show you why we got this steering wheel. Now, this thing actually looks freaking insane, and it's gonna look so good on our 335. Now, check this out, boys. The new forged carbon wheel matches our forged carbon front lip with blue flake on both. Now, the wheel itself, I think, was like $1,000 or maybe a little bit more. I mean, this is like $2,500 in forged carbon just right there. This is crazy. And today we're going to be swapping it out for this M Sport steering wheel that's already on the car. Now, I actually really like this wheel, but that one is just going to make it a little bit nicer on the inside. All right, now before we go ahead and install the mod I just showed you, let's go ahead and warm up the F30 and my 335, move them over, and then we'll be good to go. Hopefully this thing still has power. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, she does. Now, the real question is, will this car start up? Oh yeah, she will. Now, it looks like we're gonna need to go ahead and drive this thing a bit to charge up the battery, but I'm gonna let it warm up first, and then we'll go for a little cruise. Man, this thing just looks sick, dude. And we've got some crazy new mods coming up in the next few weeks for this thing that are gonna make this thing so much cooler. Also, for any of those who notice, yeah, the roof wing is off again. The tape literally will not stick in this weather, so we're just gonna have to put that on in the spring, I guess. Which kind of sucks, because I actually really like the roof wing on that car, but whatever, we still have it, I guess. Now, while the F30 is warming up, let's go ahead and see if we can get the 335i started. This one is loud. Oh my goodness. All right, the F30 is all warmed up. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a quick cruise and then park her up. Man, I legit have not driven this car in ages, bro. This actually feels really, really nice. The red guts in here just look so freaking good, dude. I love this car. Also got the Mustang looking fresh, but man, she needs a wash, boys. It feels good to get this thing back on the road. I haven't driven this car actually in like probably 4 or 5 months just because it still needs an inspection. This thing legit drives like brand new, bro. Like this feels so good. It's so comfy. It's nice having an automatic again. The Mustang's manual. And while it is fun, it's like, it gets a little bit repetitive. Driving around town kind of sucks. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but when I slow down, I don't know if you heard that or not. I think I might have a flat tire or a low tire. I don't know how I didn't see that. Let's pull over and check it out. Here's where this car will stay for the foreseeable future. Now let's go ahead and pull this thing where the F30 used to be, and then the garage is finally ready for the 5.0. Well, we finally got her into the spot. Now let's go ahead and get on with today's new mod. Now, obviously the first thing we have to do is disconnect the battery. So let's go ahead and get that done, and then hopefully it's gonna be smooth sailing. Sometimes the airbag might get you, so we'll see. Okay, well, our battery is off. We currently have no power, so let's go ahead and mess with the airbag. I am scared right now, boys. I hate airbags. Come on, baby. Okay, well, that was actually not too bad. I don't know. I did a video on my F30 steering wheel a long time ago, and that is the worst airbag I've ever done. That sucked. All right, boys. Well, we're actually getting somewhere with this thing. Airbag is off. That is a good start. Now, I believe the last thing to do is just find the nut for this little unit, and we should be able to get her out, I hope. Okay, well, we have found the right socket, so hopefully we can get this thing off. This bar's kind of tiny, so... This thing is on here, boys. Oh my goodness. Yo, whoever put this on here, bro, count your days, man. Holy, that was bad. We got it though, in a positive note, but still, that was brutal, man. Okay, boys, hopefully just like that, that should be everything. Coming out. There she is. Okay, so we got it off, and that's good. However, here is the really boring part where we have to swap a couple things over. Now, technically, I don't need to swap the buttons over, but I already know the ones on my old wheel work. The ones on the new one probably work too, because the wheel's brand new, but I'd still rather not put this thing on and then have to just take it off again. So we're just gonna do what we know works. I am, however, gonna do this inside because it is very cold outside right now. Now, I'm not gonna film any of this because this is like the most boring thing you could possibly imagine, but I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Well, boys, we officially have everything put back together, which is really exciting. So let's go throw this in the car. And man, let me tell you, I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and get straight into this. Okay, boys, well, it's the moment of truth right now. I'm probably not going to show you the full reveal until it's all installed, but I'm so excited. Oh, this looks crazy. Okay, boys, well, it is on there, so let's go ahead and reinstall the battery before I show you guys and really cross our fingers that it still doesn't blow up. All right, well, boys, it is now the moment of truth. If you hear a loud bang, you know what happened. I think we're good. I think we're good, boys. Okay, well, I'm super stoked. I think without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys how this thing looks. And check this out, boys. I still need to re-clean the leather a bit, but this thing looks freaking insane. Forged carbon with blue flake is such a sick combo, especially considering we have it on our front lip as well. I mean, just looking at the car and realizing how sick it is that those two match is just so cool to me. And little spoiler alert, soon something else in the car is going to match the blue. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but it's going to be a crazy mod. And it is just going to look so freaking sick, dude. This car is coming together so well. I have so many huge mods on the way for this thing. Lots of them are already here, actually. You saw them earlier in the video, or the box at least. But yeah, this car's going to be so dope, man. We're gonna give the Mustang a quick wash, and then we're gonna pull it into the garage spot where it is gonna be for the next 4-ish months. All done with the wash. She is looking good as new. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull her in here. I'm a little bit disappointed that this is gonna be the last time I drive this thing for a while, but we had a great summer with it, so yeah. Well, there she is, all put away for good. Just because we put the Mustang away and we won't be driving it this winter doesn't mean that we don't have more mods on the way for this thing. We have so many super fun and exciting mods coming up for this car. I'm super stoked. I think you guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned for that. I think with that being said, that's probably gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. And yeah, I appreciate everyone's support. Mod turned out super, super cool. I'm super happy with that. Feel free to comment some other cool mod ideas down in the comments below. If there's something you want to see me do to my cars, or yeah, whatever, anything, just let me know down in the comments. But yeah, again, I appreciate everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.